Hey, welcome to this channel. My name's Oliver, and today we're gonna have an awesome session. I feel it, and it's on a platform called Pocket Option. The link is in the description to this video. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you're unfamiliar with the channel. I am sharing my experience trading, and so that you guys can learn from that, from the mistakes and from the correct choices I make, and just try to figure out it for yourself, for your own trading, and learn to build your own trading strategy. Let's start right now. Today I'm starting with quite an amount, but I want you guys to see that it is also possible, and not to be afraid of the big amounts. And let's start right now, guys. Righty, we got the 2K to place next, and I will start with the first option. Let's see what's happening here. I see that it's supposed to grow because everything's pointing for the growth, but there is a local resistance level at this point, and it can be quite tricky. So the best thing to do is to wait, or to basically to switch to the other one. Right here you can see that I kind of see the movement started on the candle, and I went for it. So I would wait a little bit more because this is quite tricky, but just from the experience, I think here we're good. Let's wait for the result of this and continue. And it's the moment. Wow. It was a second away, but as you can see, it's breaking through the resistance. This is the most important. The thing is, it's sometimes it's just right. So here we have, sometimes it's just seconds, right? So here we have a triangle figure, and also you would probably say there's a flag. So basically, I'll show you guys. Let's get the rectangle, and let's try to figure this. So the length of the flag basically is usually what it does is it does the mirror, and there would be around here would be the resistance level. Yeah, that looks like it's gonna happen. Actually, everything's pointing for the, also if it is the flag, if it is a triangle, then it's the length of the triangle inverted again. So what it kind of does, it inverts, so like a mirror, it makes a mirror in opposite direction. When it's a flag like this, it usually goes up. But when it's let's see, it looks like it's breaking through. It's definitely a triangle there. To the figure of the triangle. We're gonna move on, guys. We're gonna go ahead and, what do we have there? 7K to go next with, and it looks like it's growing. Pretty good. Yeah, definitely is growing. So it broke through. The problem is that there is also a resistance level here. That is the problem. That is why it's struggling. But looks like it's breaking through. Look, looks like it's breaking through the resistance level here. And as I said, it would. This looks like a correct situation. It would go up towards the next resistance level if it breaks through this one. It might not, so it's struggling there. Let's move on anyway. Oh, this is looking good. I would just jump in the put option. Let's just check that. No levels, and in we are. So basically, I am I'm going with the trend. It's in the zone where asset is devalued, oversold, and I think we're good here. This time that it spends in this zone before it goes up. There could be a correction, but I think we're good. Actually, the correction looks like it's starting. I think there should be a bit more space that it would fall down before a correction. I might be wrong. I mean, it's never 100%. Let's wait and find out. And there we are, guys. We got a really, really nice result here. We're gonna go a little bit more with it. Let's push it a bit more. Let's go with. I'm not gonna go with the higher amount. I'll go with 4. That's enough. I think 4K to go with it, because we already are having some nice profit. We are at the resistance, but it's a pullback. So if it starts growing back, I think there is a bit more time for. Let's go and see if that's correct. Basically, I'm going with the correction for now. So I'm hoping it's gonna go, since there was a resistance level, and there was no intent to break it. It was just bouncing off the level, and I think there is time for us and space to go deeper down, and then it would and then there would be an intent to break it, because it's entered into the overvalued, overbought zone. So the opposite one. So the maximums, it's when the asset is overvalued. It's not its real price. And there you go. Awesome, great stuff, guys. Great stuff. We got this, and let's move on. Let's go with 5. I'm not gonna go stupid. I'm just gonna go with some high amounts, but I'm not gonna go and place the whole lot that we got, because that's to keep. Right here, there is. Right, it's bouncing off the resistance there. Definitely there is a resistance. Let's try to catch a pullback on this one. Let's go with actually, could this be a figure? No. Please, it's starting to move up instead. Is it breaking through the resistance, or? Nah. We'll go with the put option here. We'll go with the put option. And yeah, let's wait for the result of this one and continue. Right here, guys, there is a resistance. Oh, that's not good. It looks like it's breaking through the resistance there. Yeah, I think we're we lost it. Okay, well, there you go. There is a something to learn, right? This is actually looking very good. There's no levels, and it's the only thing is that it's time to go up. Let's jump in to this one, and basically since we lost one, I made 7,000 to go to the next option. And of course here, wow, is it gonna be the one more? Well, we'll in that case we'll still have 5,888. But anyway, I went with a call option here because it is, as you can see, the stochastic oscillator, even it got, it got flattened, both because there is no deeper that it can go, basically. So it would work. Finally, it would work as a support, and therefore there was just nowhere to go lower. So I thought this was the decision here, and it's a correct one. Luckily, we are back in a. Let's have a look. This one's really good. It's a strong trend. I think we can really benefit here, but so it's not linear, as you know. The price would need a correction. The only thing, are we gonna hit the correction now or a bit later? So I'm just waiting for some movement here. If it starts falling, maybe we can go in for the correction. If not, if it starts going further, because there's new maximums here being made, and right, it's going through, it's going pretty strong. Wow. I'm not too sure. I'm afraid to. Now let's go for the correction. I think it's reaching a point again where new maximums are made, and it's the growth is too crazy, too high. It's also in the zone where the asset is overvalued. The price of the asset is maybe twice as much as it should cost normally. So those are the things that, guys, I mean, if you're unfamiliar with some of the stuff, let me know in the comments, and we'll make videos, explanatory videos of indicators. For example, I'm using here, I didn't mention, but I'm using here a parabolic SAR as an indicator, Donchian channel. I love to use channels, Keltner or Donchian, and stochastic oscillator. I use also MACD or MACD, whatever you want to call it. MACD I use a lot. And guys, we just had the profit from this one. I think we went into the correction, but it keeps growing, it keeps going, guys. It's an amazing profitable session. As you can see, you can make mistakes sometimes, and it's never 100%. So sometimes it's okay to have a failed option or a failed trade, because that's part of the job, that's part of the work, that's part of the process. And the most important is that you can recuperate and you can keep going without losing your head. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this, because I definitely did. Let me know in the commentary section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. See you all next time. All the best. Good luck.